Hello, welcome back, hope you're all well. Right, another series of videos, just workshop stuff basically, what I'm doing in the workshop and stuff like that. You know, and I'm going to put these up on a Friday, not every Friday, but they'll be on a Friday. Like I say, could be a bit of chatting in it, could just be me chopping a bit of metal up or anything really. The plan today was to make some gussets up for the fast hater. What I've started to play around with, but I've had this urgent job come down from the house, and that's this bloody thing. Now we can see it. It's one of these things you hook over the top of the door and you hang your clothes or coats or whatever on it. They're a pain in the backside because they scrape the top of the door and they move up and down on the door, and they're just a pain in the backside. But because we've got a load of furniture from her sister's house, and we're changing the bedroom around for some reason. I don't know why Heidi wants this up, and so I'm going to cut the tops off. She wants the tops cut off and just cut holes, and it's going to be screwed on or something, probably inside the wardrobe out the way or something. I'm not 100% sure what she's doing, and I'm not going to ask her because I'll only get moaned at. So, like I say, I'm beginning this video, probably might be a whole video, I'm not sure. I'm just going to cut these off and try to cut the holes, and like I say, while I'm doing it we might have a chat, or might not. Who knows. It's just going to be videos that come out on a Friday every now and again. And like I say, the job was to make some gussets out of this. I don't know if you can see it. It's very sort of dark in here, but there's a 3-inch plate, and I'm going to make some gussets up and drill them out and that. But it's getting late. It's like I say, Sunday afternoon I'm doing this. So. Right, let's stop talking crap and get on with it. I don't know how well you can see it from there. I've got my goggles on, I can't even see the bloody screen. It's steamed up. Yeah, I'm just going to take the tops off of these and then clean them up on here and move on. I'm not sure. She never said how long she wants them, but I suppose I'll cut them to the full length and I can't be wrong. Maybe put another set of holes in the bottom as well. I mean, she'll put 4 screws in. But I have no idea what she wants or what she's doing with them. 1mm cutting disc. It's quite an old one, so hopefully it won't fall apart on us. I've just got to watch so I don't catch the balls. Got my safety gear on, not you can see. I've got my glasses. I even got my rigger boots on today. The only thing I have got wrong is I've got dog poo bags in my pocket. I'll put it in the kitchen light and melting on my balls or something. Let's see. I'll tell you what this cuts. Oh no, it won't. Helps if you plug the bloody thing in, doesn't it? Hang on, let me go and plug it in. Plugged it in now. Got my guard on. I must admit, I prefer to use a guard. I've had these explode, the bigger discs explode. And in my head, I don't. On this grinder, so the guard didn't actually stop that, but I just prefer it where I know the sparks are going in one direction, if you know what I'm saying. The biggest mistake people make is they don't adjust them. I can't be asked to adjust this now, but you know, it is what it is. I can't be able to put my gloves on either. Cuts are easy enough, isn't it? Soft, I think. I've wedged up in a bit of wood just so that it don't, just to make it easier. Don't think I've caught the ball. This might be a bit more awkward because get it in there. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit tight. Just the end cut off. Not even really hot really. Yeah, so I'm just going to clean them up and then measure them up and try to cut the holes in. like I say, it's not the most exciting video, is it? Like I say, I was going to do them gussets, and this come up, so I thought I'd do this quickly. Yeah, just playing in the workshop, innit? So I'm just going to put it on here. Just want to make sure I've got enough room to sort of do. Only once the edge took off, I ain't going to make it. I'm not going to be fussy. I hate these bloody things, so I'm hoping after I've done it that she's going to change her mind and not want it up. Better leave his ticket somewhere out the way, I suppose. Right. Yeah, you know what I mean, I just took the edge off a bit. The only thing is, I was going to move my drill this morning and I didn't, so it's in the corner, so I have to open the door to use it. But I was going to swap it. I'm going to swap it over to the other end of the motorbike lift. That's the plan. So best for this, I'm going to just drill a couple of holes in over there. Right, I've just done a clever thing. I've punched the other side, so I've got a mark for the drill, and then I realised that I couldn't get in there, so I haven't done this side. And put a mark in there just to help me. Yeah, and then whilst I couldn't get in there, I've moved this over. And there's no way I'm going to get in there. So it's got to go that way. I haven't marked these at all. But what I'll try is do one, just so I can get one started and measure it, and then I'll transfer that to the other side. Actually, is that plugged in? Oh. And these drill bits are the cheap Parkside ones, about £3.50 or £4. So how good they are, we'll find out in a second. Go for that. Alright, that's only a small one, obviously I'll make it bigger now. As we can see that, I'll show you in a second. Right, I'm going to measure up, do the other side, put a bigger drill in and see how that goes. I've sort of marked it roughly where it's going. I'm not too bothered. I don't like these, like I said, I don't like these bloody things. Same size drill bit again. If I can get it in the middle a bit more, would be nice. Put a bigger drill bit in. Yeah, I should unplug it loose and all that. The only thing you won't see me do is leave the chuck key in. If I do that, give me a bollocking, but I don't know how big to go. I'm going to get half decent bloody screw in it. That's 5mm. Yeah, that'll do. It's not big enough. I'll just redo them. Yeah, like I say, these are only cheap drill bits. Parkside again, Lidl's. What I do like this though, I've got some of these step drill bits. So they're only £3.50. I'll put them for a hour one. They've been really, really good. Can't complain at that price, even if they just do one hole. Also put some cone fluid on, I don't think it needs it. How big or not. See, I don't think that's a bit, that one's a bit, plus I only guessed and didn't I chucked them on there. Yeah, not too bad. And what I do, I'll put that chuck here, you see what I've done with it, didn't you? Yeah. Just put a bigger drill in, and then put a bigger drill in, and just put a bit of an edge on it, maybe. I found before Christmas I found a, oh, what do you call it? Oh, yeah, I think countersink bit. And when Jordan was tidying up for Christmas, we couldn't find it, so I'll have to get one, another one. But we had nothing to be moved. It's just a bit weird. I wonder if am I going to get in there enough to with that? Maybe, just to take the edge off. Not too bad. That's one of the balls just in the wrong. Bloody hell. Professional job. Right. You can see it. But I can't see the bloody screen. Hold on. That's better. I don't know how we can see because the light. Let's turn it around a bit. There you go. It's a bit better. It's not that focused, but that's alright, isn't it? And the other one, I should level these up. I probably will before I take it indoors so I don't get nagged at. But I was going to drill a couple of holes through here, but it's a bit of a job to get in there. I'll have another look at it, but I don't think I'm going to bother too much. That'll do her. Like I say, it's just messing around in the shed for 5-10 minutes, and like I say, that's a quick little job. I'm always sodding around doing daft things like that. So I'm going to show them on this workshop stuff, and then a lot of other things I'm going to be making up brackets and stuff with a fast hater, stuff like that. Still got my welding hat on. Yeah, I need a shave. That's what I was going to do today. But when I'm getting over the virus, my face is really sore, and so I'm going to have a bath later and soak in the bath and have a shave in the bath. I was just going to have a shower, but you know. When I'm getting over it, I have good days and bad days, and today's, funny enough, is a bad day. I'm feeling a bit sick today, but that's how we found, me and Heidi found getting over the virus. So I'm going to try to cut used to Friday, but I'm going to do little odds and sods like this. You know, I'm sodding around. Like, so I've got some gussets to make up and some brackets, engine mounts. I'm not going to do them on the main videos for like the fast hater and that. Just a little sodding around, sort of 15-20 minute videos of buggering around in the workshop, cutting bits of metal. And like I say, they're going to go out on a Friday. I've got a list of videos are going up on different days. So literally I've got a video for every day of the week, but I'm not going to put a video up every day of the week, obviously, because it takes time. So this is like the start of them. Obviously you might have already seen, you might already know what's going on because you might have seen whatever. But anyway, take care, remember it's okay not to be okay, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.